Did you know seagrass meadows are disappearing from coastal waters all around the globe? Now you may be asking, sure, that's interesting, but why should I care? Well, I'm hoping in the next 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I will convince you that this is an important topic of conversation. Firstly, seagrasses are home to extreme biodiversity, from the smallest shrimp to the mighty dugong and sea turtle. Seagrasses are also natural filters that remove nutrients and pollutants from coastal waters. They even protect coastlines from storms, erosion, and flooding events. So why are we losing this valuable habitat in areas all around the world? Well, not surprisingly, humans have played a large role in this loss by putting enormous pressure on our coasts. Our seagrass habitats have been devastated as humans introduce stressors into the environment. We are polluting our waterways, changing the climate, and harvesting unsustainably from coastal areas. But these stressors do not just occur one at a time within the environment. Pollution, climate change, and overfishing are not happening in isolation. Rather, they co-occur or are happening at the same time. Known as multiple stressors, co-occurring stressors can have surprisingly drastic impacts to the overall health of seagrass habitats. So, what can we do to reduce our impact? Firstly, we need to better understand how stressors affect seagrasses. And this requires well-designed and executed experiments on multiple stressors. While tremendous efforts have been made to evaluate how various stressors affect seagrass habitats, when designing experiments, we often keep stressors of interest constant over time. This is a problem because environmental conditions within coastal habitats are constantly changing, which means stressors are also changing over time. For example, a stressor may increase or decrease in intensity, and various stressors may be introduced to the environment at different times. Stressor variability, therefore, can fundamentally alter ecological impacts and mean lessons learned from past research are inaccurate. I aim to solve this issue. My research investigates how stressor variability influences seagrass responses to multiple stressors, providing vastly more accurate information to guide conservation and management efforts along our coastlines, so that we can better protect seagrass habitats and sustain them long into the future.